CYN stock analysis tomorrow. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm observing Cyngn stock and it's down 13%. This is how my chart looked like before. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course, cement trips, and documented everything. And just like observing Cyngn, SYN, CYN, the only thing that would have made sense for me to short was like a double break. And am I having the double break? Barely. I mean, I'm yet to see a double break. I've seen the first break, but that's also a great step there. So do you know what I'm doing in the meantime? I'm just gonna keep waiting because I only need this to capitalize on this. Obviously, this is like trading carries a high level of risk, so anything you do is your own responsibility. This is just my own opinion. It's not financial advice. It's only for now and not forever. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.